Hello guys, today I'm preparing a beautiful festive afternoon tea and I'm so excited to show you all what I have created for this festive season. 2025 festive season we are going to close with very nice afternoon tea. Right here I have my savory selections, elegant bite size and full of flavor, and on the side the sweet treat, absolutely stunning, colorful and crafted with all the festive magic. Every piece is handmade, from the sandwiches to the pastries. It looks beautiful, looks amazing. Okay, thank you so much guys.